Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you about the conditional statements in Python, which is if else, if elif. Okay, so what are conditional statements? Right now we have seen all the options where we were. So until now we have seen the programs where we were executing everything sequentially. There were no conditions, but now let's introduce some condition. Let's see how an if statement works in Python. Let's assign a value to x. Let's print x. Also print x if x is greater than y. Let's assign one more value, phi to y. Okay, print x. Let's see. Here we go. So it is printing x again because x is greater than y. So this is how if statements are used. If statements are used with if keyword along with the conditions. So this block which you are seeing here is a conditional block. It should be a boolean. You cannot assign values here. It will give you an error that invalid syntax. It should also evaluate to a boolean expression. Okay, so this is the basic condition. You can also directly evaluate this to true and then you ask it to print it. Oh, it is not defined. Okay, see, here you go. So if this is the syntax, let's see the syntax. If then a condition colon in your statements. You can have one or more than one statements. If statement 1, statement 2. Okay, so this is how an if condition works. Similarly, if I want to demonstrate that, let's switch back to our can have more than one print statements. It will still work. Okay, so this is how the if condition works, but in this case we are only evaluating one condition. So if a do this, what if a do this, else do this. Okay, suppose in the same scenario we want to print if x is greater than y, then print x, else print y. Okay, so let's move on to the another block, which is else block. Just change the values to see if we are moving and going inside the else block. So here you can see the control went inside the else block because y was 50 and x was 10. Let's again done that. Yes, now you can see the control is inside the if block. Okay, so this is how if else condition, if else statement work. Can have as many statements within the if condition within the else block. Make sure that you keep this intended. If you keep this, it will throw an error. Okay, so the indentation is really important in Python. Also, so this is evaluating only to two conditions, right? That if do this, else do this. So here we are comparing whether x is greater than y, else print y. Okay, what if x is equal to y? So we should have three conditions: x is greater than y, x equal to y, and x is less than y. Okay, so in that case we will use elif. So elif is another keyword. So this is a combination of else and if, that's why it's called an elif. X equal to y, print inside elif block and also print both are equal. Here you go. Now let's make them equal and see. Here you can see we went inside the elif block and it prints both are equal. Let's switch back to our previous condition where we were printing going inside the else block. Here we are inside the else block. This is how if elif else keyword work. So you can have multiple ellipses within the if. So you can have a chain of ellipses within the after the if and before the else keyword. Okay. So yes, there is one more thing in this, which is one line if else. This is more of a Pythonic way of writing the if else block. Let's see how to do that. Python provides the flexibility to write if else conditions in the same line. Let's see x equal to 5. So the if else block is written as an expression print x if x greater than 0 else print negative. Run this. You can see 5 is printed. Let's switch it back to -5. Here you can see the negative is printed. So this is one liner if else. This is way faster than the normal if else block. Okay, and this is more of a Pythonic way of doing that. You can have multiple expressions within each block. Like you can also print positive here using a semicolon. So this semicolon separates these statements for the block. It's not like you can only execute one statement. Oh, something went bad. Oh, print positive as well as, oh sorry, also print the value of x. Here you can see the negative along with the 5 is printed. So this is the so this is the if block. So you can cut it and paste it here and it will also work. So this is the one liner if else. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for keeping me motivated for making more videos. Thank you guys.